Hi, I'm Jarvis with RVMP. Today I'm going to show you how to start and stop your flex power generator. Whether you're using gasoline or propane, these steps will ensure your generator operates smoothly. Let's get started. When using gasoline, you might need to prime the fuel system before starting the generator. This is especially important if the generator is brand new, recently serviced, or previously ran out of gasoline.
Press and hold the primer button on the control panel until all air bubbles are purged from the fuel hose. This should only take a few seconds. Avoid priming for too long to prevent flooding the engine.
When using propane, there's no need to press the primer button. The primer button is disconnected when operating on LP fuel. You can start your generator from either the remote panel or directly at the front panel of the generator.
To start the generator, push and hold the start button for 3 seconds, then release. The generator will begin an automated starting routine.
If the generator doesn't start on the first attempt, it will automatically try again. You don't need to press the start button again. If it still doesn't start, press and hold the start button again for 3 seconds to restart the automated routine.
For the 4000i models, if the battery voltage is low and the engine won't turn over, use the recoil handle to manually start the generator. Once the generator is running, switch the AC breakers on the front panel to the on position to send power to your appliances.
For top performance and engine life, especially in colder weather, let the engine warm up before switching on the AC breakers. To stop the generator during normal operation, follow these simple steps.
Step 1. Press and hold the start-stop button. Press and hold the start-stop button on the generator control panel or the remote panel for 1 to 3 seconds. The engine will automatically stop.
By following these steps, you can easily start and stop your flex power generator. Thanks for watching and stay safe while working on your equipment. I'm Jarvis with RVMP. Happy camping!